The first step to register on this fresh new website is by creating an account. Step number 2 is watch a YouTube video by pressing the play button. And the third step is to get paid between $5 and $10 for each video that you watch. In this video, I'll explain how you can profit from viewing videos, to activate your account and begin receiving payments. You'll need to complete 4 actions on a fresh new website I've never shown on my channel. Make sure you follow this video till the end. Payment option includes PayPal, Payer, Bitcoin, and bank transfer. There are so many ways to get paid here. After starting this a few days ago, I've already got my first PayPal payment in the amount of $37. To be clear, you may end up making more or less money depending on your efforts. Nevertheless, if you want to make any money at all, you must follow every step given in this video. All you have to do is set this up just once and you can start earning money. This is completely passive and you only have to put effort at the first part of this method. Let me just tell you that this method today does not require a specific set of skills or experiences. All you need is your laptop or phone and you are good to go. This is also available to be done by everyone around the world. There are no restrictions on which specific countries can do this. And most of all, this method is completely free. You do not need any initial payments or monthly subscriptions to start off. Imagine earning money for free. However, you still have to devote some of your time and effort to do this method and earn money. Yes, it is free, but effort is required. Oh, let me just tell you that you won't be a millionaire overnight just by doing this method. It will not replace your day job, and you need to put in continuous effort in order for this method to work. This method can help you earn extra from what you are earning right now. It will not make you a millionaire, but it can help you with your day-to-day expenses. Now that's all out of the way, all you have to do now is sit back, relax, and grab a beverage and pay close attention to this video. Because if you miss even one part of this video, then you will not be able to successfully make money when it is your time to do it. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. To elaborate more on the steps that you need to do in order to get money, first I'll show you how to discover the most recent videos that are likely to generate income for you. In step number 2, I'll show you how to share these videos to your friends and family members. In step number 3, I'm going to show you a website that will pay you for every video that you watch and share to other people. So let's start with the first step. The first thing you're going to do is go to YouTube. Almost everyone is familiar with YouTube, since it is the most popular video streaming platform in the world. People post new videos on this website almost every day. To start off, I want you to click on Explore on this part of the website, and once you do that, you will be presented with a bunch of categories. These categories include trending videos, music, movies, gaming, news, sports, fashion, and beauty. The one that we'll be focusing on today is video gaming. However, this method will work with any of these options. The decision is entirely up to you. Click on gaming, then scroll down and search for the most recent videos inside gaming, or the most recent video in which category you selected. If you can see here, this is an example of one of the recent videos in gaming. This video is a perfect example because this one is one of the most popular games today and is perfect for making money online. The newest and hottest videos are what you are after. Occasionally, you can use a video from one of the most popular channels on YouTube. The general goal is to find something interesting and attention-grabbing that will draw people's attention. Once you've discovered a video, all you want to do next is click on it and watch it, so you can get a sense of what the video is about and form your own opinions about it. Keep an eye out for important sections, things that you enjoy, and things on which you can express your opinion about. After doing all that, we can proceed to number 2. For this step, I want you to go to this website called MeWe.com. MeWe is a fresh new social media site similar to Facebook or Instagram, where you can share stuff to other people and engage with them in a social setting. The website has over 9 million people visiting each month, so this is a perfect platform for you to share these videos. This is a totally new website, and not so many people do this method that we are doing today, so this is a great opportunity for you to make money. Head over to MeWe.com and create an account if you don't have already. And once you've logged into your account, it will seem exactly like any other social media site. You will have a news feed, you will see your profile, and you will see the many chats that you are participating in. The next thing that you should do is, on the top of the website, there will be a search bar. I want you to search for the category of video that you chose earlier. In our case, we chose gaming videos, so just type in gaming on the search bar. These boxes will pop up and you're going to see pages and groups all related to gaming. Now just scroll down and choose any group to join in. You'll find groups with 200 members, 25 members, and so on. You want to stick with groups that at least have 200 members, preferably more, and preferably more than 1,100 people if possible. Before you can join any group, they will let you answer a short application form and ask you some things. Don't worry, they aren't hard questions. They will just ask you why you want to join, and after answering it, you are immediately accepted in the group. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. The next step is where you actually make some money now. For step number 3, you're going to sign up to this website, which lets you earn money just by sharing video links. This website is called short.st. This is a URL shortening website where they pay you for each time a person clicks on your shortened link. How it works is when a user visits your page and clicks a link, they will be redirected to an intermediate page where they will see ads. After a while, they will be redirected to the original page, and you can earn money with every single ad display. Sounds easy, right? So it's a very simple process, and you basically get paid for sharing the URLs that you have shortened using this website. The next thing that I want you to do is, at the top part of the website, you can see a join option, and I want you to click on that and just register with your email address and your password. Once you have done that, your account is automatically activated and you can now shorten links and earn money. I want you to go back to the video that you chose on YouTube earlier. Copy the link, shorten it on this website, and share it. Now go back to MeWe.com, and in the group that you previously joined in, I want you to create a new post and share your shortened link there. Make sure you have a brief description about the video that you are sharing so that people will not wonder what type of link you shared. It's as easy as that, and you only have to do it occasionally and watch as tons of money go into your bank account. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.